This is actually really yummy. What is this?
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to make this creamy, cheesy Velveeta Broccoli Casserole. It is a perfect side dish for any family dinner, potluck or holiday gathering. It's easy to make, deliciously comforting and loved by both kids and adults. So let's get started. So let's see the ingredients we're going to use in this recipe. Here I've taken broccoli. You can either take frozen thawed broccoli or fresh like this. I'm going to show you the process how we're going to blanch these broccoli. I've taken onion powder, black pepper, salt, then there's garlic powder, Velveeta cheese and Ritz cracker. That's the original one I've picked. So here I'm picking all the florets. Here you can see 3 broccolis that I have taken. It's a small one, so if you get one big broccoli, that's more than enough, or these 3 will be sufficient to make this recipe. I'm going to use the broccoli stem also. That's for vegetable broth that I'll be using for different recipe. So here I'm just using the florets in this recipe. We're going to prep the broccoli first. So in a big vessel I've taken water also, which I have put it on boil. We'll add little salt in that. And we're going to blanch fresh broccoli for 3 minutes, or simply thaw the frozen broccoli and drain well. I'm going to close the lid so that we don't lose any nutrients from the veggies. Here we make powder of this Ritz cracker. We will use this one whole thing. We're going to powder the Ritz cracker here. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. It's a salted butter. And melt it. This is the Velveeta cheese. I'm taking here 16 O's of the Velveeta cheese, and that whole brick is 32 O's. So we're going to take 16 O's. Now we're going to add the blanched broccoli to this Velveeta cheese and well combine them together. The cheese will melt eventually with the heat of broccoli. Now we're going to add flavors here. Here I'm adding half tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, and give it a good mix. We're going to use less salt in this recipe, as while thawing the broccoli, we already added salt in the water while boiling it. So we're going to add very little, like less than 1 teaspoon of salt. Now in another bowl I've taken melted butter. That was 2 tablespoon butter. We add that one whole Ritz cracker that we powdered to this mixture. Give it a good mix and let it well combine, the butter and the Ritz cracker. Now add black pepper here. Now we're going to place this broccoli mixture in a baking dish. So here you can see it already started smelling so good here with all the onion powder, garlic powder, cheese. Everything brings such a good flavor. It smells really good before the baking, you know. Now place this on this baking dish, in a baking dish like this. Now on top of it, we will add the mixed crushed Ritz crackers that was combined with melted butter. We're going to sprinkle this on top of this broccoli mixture. But before that, we're going to add the shredded cheddar here, sharp cheddar I've taken. Sprinkle it over the top of this broccoli mixture. And finally we add the crunchy topping for this, and that is a mixed Ritz cracker with melted butter, and we're going to sprinkle on top. And you can add extra cheddar, shredded cheddar cheese if you want extra cheesiness. And to make this recipe more rich and fancier, you can add a cream of mushroom soup or a cream of chicken soup. That will bring the recipe to next level. But as I mentioned, it's going to be easy recipe, very quick we can make, and this also brings a very nice rich flavor. All the cheese, the Velveeta cheese is what's highly recommended in this recipe. That brings a nice flavor. And for extra cheesiness, you can add more cheese on top of this layer. But this is more than enough, I feel, because the Velveeta cheese is also very rich. And here we are setting it at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. That's it. It's nicely done. Here you can see it tastes really good, tastes delish, next level. It's a southern comfort food and made during holiday parties, Christmas time. This is one of the favorite broccoli casserole. Look how goldenish it looks. It has a very bubbly, cheesy layer on. It's very hot, so the cheese is melted right now. Scoop out a cheesy portion onto a plate and enjoy this Velveeta broccoli casserole. Here you can see. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious, easy recipes. I'll be sharing more interesting recipes soon in my videos. Subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you do not miss any recipes shared by me. Bye-bye, take care, see you again.